Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you earn by typing recaptcha, by solving recaptcha. So first thing, you need to register using your email, and then when register, you make sure you choose worker. Don't choose advertiser, choose worker. So after completing registration, you see your dashboard like this, like as you can see it here. So your dashboard will look like this one. So what you do is to solve captcha. You need to solve captcha and get paid for it. So you can see this three dot icon here. You click on it, and then you can see that get started. You click on get started to start solving captcha. So here you can see it. So when register, you see the language is Russia. So you use Chrome browser so that you can translate your language to English. Here's how you do it. You can see this three icon in the top of your browser. You scroll down, you can see translate, and click on it to translate it. So make sure you use Chrome browser so that you can see the option of translating. So after translating, your language will now be English. So to start solving captcha, you click on start solving. So you can solve this captcha. You can see we write exactly what we see in this image. So here it is. So you write exactly what you see here. So after typing the answer, then you click on this green button. You can see I've credited. So that is how you do it, and then they will show you another recaptcha which you will solve. So some of them is image recaptcha, some of them is typing recaptcha. So anyone, so you know how to solve recaptcha now. Just solve it and then get a reward for it. You can see I solve another one, so I've been rewarded. So let me solve this one again. I think it's big letter P. Okay. So make sure you click the green button after solving it. So I've been rewarded this one. Very easy, guys. It's very easy. Just keep your time, and then at least 30 minutes solving this captcha. You will earn from $1 to $2 a day. At least 30 minutes. Just put your time, and then start working for this. So you'll be rewarded. So each captcha you solve is just like around 5 seconds. Solve it and move to another one. So like if you like that 30 minutes, I think you will have like $2 to $3. So you will withdraw it immediately. So the minimum withdrawal is just only 0.25 cents. That's very little amount to withdraw. So like a day, you can withdraw every day in this. So now I've shown you how to solve your captcha, how to earn. So now how to withdraw, where you click when withdraw, you can see where it say payment. So let me go back, and then I see the language has changed. So let me go back and then change it to English. So now I've changed the language back. So here it is. You can see where it say payment. You click on payment and you will see the payment method they have. They have different payment method here. You can use crypto, you can use payer. So I've used payer and I already banned my payer ID. Here you can see this is my payer ID. So like the minimum amount for payer is just 0.50. So in crypto is $0.25. So if you like, you want open payer account, just go to Google and type payer and you be able to create your payer account. So if you like using crypto, you can choose the wallet address you want and then bind your address so you withdraw your money. So if you are for the first time to withdraw your money will be around like that 4 days before you'll be credited for just for the first time. So after that you receive your money automatically after withdrawing. You can see they said you can order your first payment 4 days after registration. So that is your first payment. It will be around that 4 days so that they will check if you violate their rule before they will be able to pay you. So now, like if you want to refer your friend, so this is you can earn without referral and you can withdraw without referral. Referral is optional. So like if you want to refer your friends, so let me show you how you get your referral link. So you scroll down, you can scroll down, you can see where it say affiliate program. Here it is. You click on that and then copy your referral link and you earn a percent of each captcha they solve. You earn a percentage. So you can see this is your referral link. Just copy it and then share it to your friends and your family. So that's how it was, very easy. And then, or you come to this program here and then copy your referral link. So that is how it is, very easy. So I will leave the referral link in the first comment section. I will pin it here. So if you are in my WhatsApp group, I will leave it on the group. Yeah, so make sure you like and then you subscribe to my channel so that I will, in case I post money making video, so you'll be among the first person to watch. So thank you for watching. Happy end.